she bowed. You are the white and fair king. Indeed, said the king. That wizard did take the tunic. The king looked at Queen. Is your choice, king, said the queen. I'm too sad about my lost bookmark. The king had a choice. God, really is that wizard? Your Majesty, snapped Dirk. Tom saw something. The cat is hide behind a corner. Tom thought fast. Can I mole to spit my magic? No, snapped Dirk. Yes, said the king. Tom go behind the corner. What should I do, cat? Asked Tom. I found it, she said. It's a Queen Royal bookmark, said Tom. Wow, so happy to see it. Time's up, wizard, snapped Dirk. I'm ready now, said Tom. Tom rocked his wand. Last thing of Queen. Poof! My bookmark. What is the spell? He's a new royal wizard, said the king.